I'll never catch him while I'm listening.
Hi, my name is Isa. Today I'm going to do a review on this bronzer from Catrice, new bronzer. This is called Holiday Skin Luminous Bronzer and it's in the shade Summer in the City. So I picked up this one because I thought that it's the shade is a little bit special. So if I show you this bronzer from Catrice that I bought I believe in a springtime, and I really like this one, and next to it I hope you can see the difference. This is the new one. This one has more kind of an olivey undertone. This is more red undertone and this is more olive undertone. So I really like this one in the summertime, but I thought that this shade could be very nice in the autumn time because I'm much paler right now, and I think that this shade may go very nice with more autumnal colors. So yeah, let's try it. So I'm using Catrice brush for bronzer. So I'm not sure what's happening right now with Catrice, but I think that they are releasing some very beautiful products, because for a long time they were kind of slacking. They were behind every other makeup brand. At least this is my opinion. But yeah, in this year they kind of step up and I really like this shade. I think it's very appropriate for autumn time, because you know normally other bronzers are very warm or they have very red undertone. It's very hard to find this kind of undertone, especially in drugstore bronzers, and that it's not glittery as well. So it does have that kind of satin finish to it, but it's not glittery at all. So you can go out and about on a sun and you're not going to be like a disco ball. So what I've noticed with these two bronzers is that they are very similar in texture, in finish as well. I think that the new one is just slightly more luminous, but this one is luminous as well. I mean, in the back of the packaging it says bronzing powder infused with minerals. The silky smooth texture creates a sun-kissed look and provides a natural luminous finish, and it does. But this one has just a slightly more of that luminance. But they are extremely similar. Just the undertone is a bit different. And of course the packaging is, this one is a more eco-friendly than this one. And it has that very nice mirror underneath. Oh, I hope you can see my head and both products. And this one, it claims to be waterproof. I have to say I've tried this one at least 5 or 6 times, and I really like it because it stays on, it doesn't disappear, so you don't have to worry about it throughout the day. It doesn't have any weird smell to it. It doesn't have any glitter. I'm so impressed with this bronzer because it's so smooth and it's so easy to use it. You don't have to think a lot about it. So it's not too sheer that you would have to take a long time to build it up. but at the same time it's not too opaque, so you don't have to be worried to overdo it. I have to say that this is the lightest shade, I believe. So if you are more light and have that olive undertone, you would really like this one. I just saw that they launched one more shade that it's darker, but I haven't tried that one, so I'm not sure how it works for darker skin. This is the review. I have to say that it wears very nice for a long time. It has, I mean, it looks very, very nice. I have to say that I'm very impressed with Catrice right now, with that Grip and Last Beauty Primer that I did a review, that you can check it out, and with new highlighter as well. Where is it? This highlighter is one of the best highlighters that I've ever tried, and one of my favorites is Sungasm highlighter from Catrice. But this one is so gorgeous and everybody talks about it, so yeah, check out my next video because I'm going to review this one. Have a nice day and please like this video, subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next video.